Did you know that the highest battlefield in the world isn't in the mountains of Afghanistan or the highlands of Scotland, but in a place known as Siachen? Located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas, it's a place where soldiers fight not just their enemies but also the harsh elements of nature. Our story begins in the late 19th century when the British, ruling over the Indian subcontinent, drew the Ceasefire line, later renamed the Line of Control. This line was ambiguous when it came to Siachen, leaving a gap from point NJ 9842 to the Karakoram Pass. The area remained uninhabited and unadministered due to its inhospitable conditions. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, when tensions between India and Pakistan escalated. Both countries claimed Siachen, leading to sporadic skirmishes. But it wasn't until the early 1980s that things took a serious turn. In 1984, India launched Operation Meghdoot, deploying soldiers to the glacier to ward off any attempts by Pakistan to establish control. The battle for Siachen continued for years, with soldiers fighting in temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius and at altitudes of over 22,000 feet. Despite multiple attempts at peace talks and ceasefires, the conflict continues to this day, making Siachen a symbol of the ongoing dispute between India and Pakistan. Throughout this video, we've journeyed through Siachen's history, from an unadministered no-man's land in the late 19th century to the highest battlefield in the world. We've explored the geopolitical tensions that led to its militarization and the human costs of the conflict. We've also seen how the harsh conditions of Siachen pose a unique challenge to the soldiers stationed there. In essence, Siachen is not just a battlefield. It's a testament to human endurance and resilience, a place where soldiers brave the harshest of conditions to defend their nations. It's a symbol of unresolved geopolitical tensions and a reminder of the high human cost of conflict. As we continue to hope for peace, Siachen stands as a stark reminder of the complexities of geopolitical disputes and the enduring spirit of those who serve in the face of unimaginable challenges.